Now, another transform tool that we have available to us is the select and scale tool. So I'm going to come over to the main toolbar and choose the select and scale. And I'm going to select an object in my scene. I'm going to choose this cone. And as soon as I select it, the scale transform gizmo appears, and I have 3 axes markers on here. And so I can choose a particular axis, maybe lock onto the Z axis. As I move the cursor over there, it turns yellow, indicating I've locked onto that axis. And now I'm just scaling non-uniformly in that Z axis. Again, I can do that to the Y axis, and of course I can do that to the X axis as well. So I can scale each axis individually. If I want to scale the whole object uniformly, then I just click inside this area here. This particular shaded area of the gizmo represents all 3 axes. I can click and drag that backwards and forwards. You can see here that the cone, or the object selected, is now scaling in a uniform manner. If I choose an area between the 2 base axes, between the X and the Y axis, this highlights this area here. This band here is highlighted. This is just now scaling in just the 2 dimensions, the X and the Y. If I choose this area here, then I can scale in just the Y and the Z. So I can choose to scale 1-dimensionally or non-uniformly, 3-dimensionally or uniformly, or 2-dimensionally, and just scale 2 selected axes. So that's my scale transform tool.